Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I moved houses, so today I'm gonna be showing you a room tour of mine. Let's go. So this is my room. Lots of sunlight. Wardrobe. Workout bags. Books for studying. Study desk. Light lamp. The big window, and I gotta figure out how to put the curtain down. This is my bed. Okay, so this is my clothes that I wear, and this half is for the dirty clothes for laundry, and this little box here, storage box, is for things to be sorted out, as you can see, important. And then the bottom, I've got some waste paper that I can use later. In my wardrobe, look at that. I've got my dresses and pants on this side and shorter clothes on this side here. And this side is my pajamas, winter pajamas and towel, because I normally take the shower in the gym, so I don't have to keep my towel in the bathroom. And this is my warmer, thicker clothes, jackets. And here I have more clothes. Here I have more clothes, well folded. And on this top here, I've got things that need to be returned so I can have extra cash and income. And this is some extra bags, and this is some handcraft things here I can make, and that's just for my friends, especially for you. Probably not read. Craft things, the mat. And on my first drawer, I've got my stationery, books, so highlighters, pens, books, plastic bags for the rubbish bin, twink, calculator. I'm trying to be super organized so I can find things easier, but this takes effort, you know. It's stuck, this one. On the side here, I just got my pads, shampoo, masks, mirror, and also my solution contact lenses inside. Probably I'm gonna do this one because it got stuck just now. And also here I've got my work clothes still well folded. Here just socks and underwear, and just two bags here with an umbrella here. And this is my extra bed sheets and blankets, my big suitcase on the top, and also what's that, extra work clothes there, here, yeah. And anyways, there, I'm trying to be a minimalist this time and be super efficient and productive with my time. And I want to give myself extra space and room to reflect and release my creativity, and yeah, have less thoughts and just really focus on the essential things. And this is part of the reason I moved out and want to be independent as well. Yeah, and Auckland is raining right now. It's generally rainy in winter. If you want to come, it's a great city. And if you want to move out, you want to live alone, Try it out. You won't regret it. You'll get used to it. And if you want to get super organized, just fold all your clothes and keep a box of things that needs to be sorted out and things need to be returned and things to be kept. For example, those receipts and your gifts from a good friend. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. And by the way, this is when I get distracted for my assignment because I find it a little bit boring to do and I think I have so much time. When I have so much time, I tend to procrastinate, so I'd rather to do it a little bit later so I can really get my mind focused. And if you need any help with your assignments and test tips, just message me or leave a comment down below. And have a good day, guys. See you around uni or next year when you come to Auckland. Bye. I forgot this is one of the key things that I have, so these are my journals and daily reflection, weekly reflections, and my goal setting because I look at these every morning and every evening. They keep me going and motivated. They're pretty close to my bed here. On the second drawer, just some essential things. My sunglasses. It's good for eye protection, not sunglasses but glasses. My hair curler and the hair dryer, some tissues here, and hairband, rubber band, just hair tie, yeah, charger and screen cleaner, scissors, and yeah, that's it.